All right, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be taking a look at how to use your Godox V1 or any other Godox flash that allows you to use this as a trigger. I'm not sure which other ones do, but the easy way to find out is to toggle on. So as soon as you turn on your flash, and again, I'm using the Godox V1, and you're going to use this button all the way to the right and keep hitting it until you get something that looks like this that says M-A-B-C. Now M is for master. That is going to control the power output on the actual flash itself. A is for channel A, and B and C and so on. So you're able to run 3 flashes plus your Godox flash and fire them all right from this. So in order to control the power output from another Godox flash, and again, I'm using the Godox V1, but it's also going to work with the Flashpoint brands as well. So I'm going to demonstrate this on the Flashpoint 8600. I have it on channel A, or no, I'm sorry, Group A, channel 1. So you want to make sure that you have both of these on the same channel. I'm using channel 1, and now Group A, all you're going to do is you're going to see right here it says M, A, B, and C. These 4 buttons are what you're going to choose to set the flash power. So if I want to adjust the flash power on my 8600 with my Godox here, I'm just going to hit A, and then I'm going to either spin the dial by going in 0.1 increments, or just hit the up arrow to go in full, you know, go to 1/8, 1/4. But if you leave it on 0.8 here, you can dial that down to where it's 0, if you want, and then you have, you know, quarter stops right there. So down to 1/64, and it will be turning it. Notice how it is changing it on the 8600, and that is really all there is to it. The other question I've had in the past is if this, let's see, we gotta clear that. Sometimes if you turn it on, your lamp is on by default. So how you would shut that off is push the lamp button, hit the center button for off, and then to hit the lamp button again to get you back to the main screen. But that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.